Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, naimbagabigat, ang ating special guest ngayong umaga ay ang Kapuso artist na may talento sa pag-awit at pag-arte. Mga kapuso, makakasama natin this morning ang Kapuso sweetheart na si Claire Castro. Hi Claire! Welcome sa morning.
Hello!
Yes, welcome sa Mornings with GMA Regional TV. Magandang umaga sa'yo.
Magandang umaga po at sa lahat na nanonood from North Central Luzon.
Yes, so ito Claire. How are you and how do you spend most of your time indoors?
I'm fine. I'm very happy. I'm more productive now that mostly nakakulong na lang sa bahay and doing chores, ganun.
So ito Claire, your parents are TGIS stars. Napapanood ko yan, si Diego Castro and Raven Villanueva. Sila ba ang iyong biggest inspiration for entering showbiz?
Yes, of course. My dad was really happy when I told him I wanted to join showbiz. Pero nung bata ko, I was making him kulit, like I want to join showbiz. Sabi niya masyado pa akong bata, so I had to wait till I was in my 20s.
Oh, wow. So, ano ang sinabi ng mom and dad mo noong nag-decide ka nang pumasok sa ganitong industriya?
My dad was, because sometimes I doubt myself, and my dad was like, no, you can do this. You're just thinking lowly of yourself. Pero yun po, that really pushed me to believe in myself.
Okay, when you were young, you entered theater. How was the experience in theater acting, Claire?
I love theater po kasi you go from place to, theater to theater. Sa akin po kasi, the play I did po from different universities po ng St. Paul. So, yun po, ang saya din po nung rehearsals. Hindi po siya, not scary at all. It's very fun. I love theater.
You are also fond of singing. Ano ang genre na nakahiligan mo?
I think sweet pop.
Sweet pop!
Yes,
Baka pwedeng handugan mo naman kami ng few sa iyong kanta. I mean, few lines ng paborito mong kanta ngayong umaga.
Okay, so my favorite song is Selfish by Madison Beer. So, ito po yun. Boy, you're such a lost cause. Now your name is crossed off. How you gonna fix this? You can even fix yourself.
Wow! Palakpakan natin siya mga kapuso! So ito, ngayong certified GMA Kapuso artist ka na, name at least 3 Kapuso leading men na gusto mong makatrabaho and why?
Okay. Kapuso leading men. Wow. Pwede din my dad. My dad.
2 more. You have to name
My
3.
dad. My dad.
Okay, so mensahe mo sa mga Kapuso fans na patuloy na sumusuporta sa'yo.
Hello po. Hello din po sa mga Claire Defenders. I love you guys so much. Yun lang po.
Anyayahan mo na ang ating mga Kapuso sa North Central Luzon sa mga aabangan namin sa'yo, Claire.
I will definitely be keeping you guys posted po on my Instagram account, which is Claire V. Castro.
Yan. Thank you very much, Claire. Mga Kapuso, nakapanayam natin ang Kapuso sweetheart na si Claire Castro.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.